Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is Alan Crone. I'm the CEO of the Crone Law Firm in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm coming to you today with our daily update on legal issues related to the COVID-19 outbreak. I hope and pray everybody is doing well. I hope your family is doing well. If you or a loved one are suffering with the COVID-19, I'm sorry about that, and I pray for your recovery and the recovery of everyone suffering in this pandemic. I want to give you an update today. I've gotten a lot of calls lately about self-employed, independent contractor unemployment benefits. The state of Tennessee is making lots of strides in this regard. I've got a link on this email and presentation to the self-employed portion of the Tennessee Department of Labor's website. It's important, if you're going to make application, that you make application after watching the video that's on this website. It's very informative. The things that you need to know is to be patient as you go through it. The video reminds people what I've been saying for the last couple of weeks is that every Department of Labor in the country who deals with unemployment benefits are set up to provide traditional unemployment benefits to W-2 employees who've paid into the system. This COVID-19 pandemic unemployment assistance, or PUA, is in addition to that, on top of it, and it covers people that are traditional recipients of unemployment benefits, but it also covers people that are non-traditional recipients, such as self-employed people. So go to that website link that I've got for you there and watch the video. Some of the highlights are, you have to really pay attention to the questions, because I think what's going on is they're trying to massage the software that they already have, the website that they already have. And so there's some things that you're just going to have to ignore and answer the questions the way the video tells you to, and then ignore. If you're self-employed, you're going to get a message that says that you're not qualified for benefits. What that means is you're not qualified for traditional unemployment benefits. That doesn't mean that you're not going to get the PUA benefits. So don't freak out when the software tells you that. You've been successful in making your claim, so go ahead and do that, and then monitor the claim and make your weekly certifications. One thing that they're asking you to do now is make your weekly certifications on a kind of a rolling basis based on the last digit of your Social Security number. So again, the website has all that information. Make sure that you know which day of the week you need to make your certification. Traditionally, that was always done on Sunday. Now they've got it kind of rolled throughout the week. There were some bottlenecks and slow periods. I think they've largely overcome that. So again, continue to make application and certification as required, and your benefits should be paid retroactive to the date that you qualified for them. So again, I know that that's going to be a tremendous relief to a lot of people, and I hope that if you got frustrated before and maybe haven't gone back in a while, go back again, and I think they've gotten a lot of the bugs worked out of that. Also, I want to just comment briefly on the governor's announcement yesterday that he is not going to reissue his Safer at Home order. I would really encourage everybody to wait on the governor as he rolls out his plan. You noticed yesterday, my understanding is he did not issue an executive order with the details of the plan. This isn't going to be a situation where on May 1st, all the restrictions are lifted all across the state. First of all, his order will only apply to those counties that do not have their own county health department. So that's Shelby, Davidson, Hamilton, Knox, and Madison, I think are those counties. There may be one or two others. Those are the big ones. and I think it's going to be different based on the kind of industry and the amount of people in each county. So be patient with this and really listen to what the governor says as it goes forward. I know he's got a great economic recovery task force that's working on guidelines for specific industries and specific size businesses. And if you're worried that we're going to go from where we are now to 2019, I guarantee you the Nashville Sounds aren't having a game tomorrow or on May 1st. The Titans aren't going to play an exhibition game on May 1st. It's still going to be a phased economic recovery. And whether you're in Memphis or Madison County or Knox or a smaller county, we're still going to have to do this in phases. And I believe that's what you're going to see in the governor's plan when it comes out. Now, there's some places in Tennessee, I'm confident that the infection rate is so low and the transient rate is so low. In other words, people aren't coming in and out of the county, that those places may be able to resume a more normal lifestyle than the rest of us. But I don't think there's cause for alarm. I know Governor Lee is working very methodically and with all due prudence in how he's going to roll this out. So it's still going to be up to us to continue the social distancing and to continue some self-isolation and mitigation efforts such as wearing masks, washing our hands, and not getting in prolonged close contact with people. So if you're a business owner and you're concerned about this, I would continue to make plans on how your business, wherever it is, however large it is, can operate in a safe manner. We're still going to need businesses to practice social distancing, to allow for social distancing, to provide for sanitization of surfaces, maybe provide for masks for customers and employees. Just depends on your particular situation. No matter how we come back from this, we really need to continue to slow the spread of this virus within our communities, whether it's Memphis or Nashville or Brownsville or Lake County or Bucksnort, Tennessee. So I really think that we are going to make the difference between whether this light at the end of the tunnel we see is truly an exit or a train. And it can be one or the other depending upon how we all respond to the loosening of restrictions. So if you're a business owner and you have any questions about that, please call or email me. I'd be glad to hook you up with more information on that. If you're self-employed and you're looking for information on getting unemployment benefits, follow the link in this email. I think you'll find most of your questions answered there. If you still have questions, give us a call. If you need to know how to reach me, we've got information on this. Also, just Google Alan Crone, Memphis, or Crone Law Firm, Memphis, and I guarantee you there'd be more than enough contact information. And also feel free to share and forward this information, whether it's on social media or via email, to people who you think might benefit from it. Again, this is Alan Crone, CEO of the Crone Law Firm, wishing everyone a safe Tuesday, and thank you for listening. And hopefully I'll see you soon, whether in public, enjoying this great Tennessee weather. Thank you.